Chloe's at Bonchere and she's already got her favorite little hole dug. Haven't you, baby? Yes, you have. I know. Hi, it's Tricia from Nature Lover Canada and we are staying at Bonchere Provincial Park. Today we are going to hit some trails on the walks of Little Bonchere, the LaFleur Homestead. So there was a homestead here at one point.
They had to milk the cows at 3 in the morning so that they could have breakfast on the table by 6 in the morning so that they could man the road for all of the loggers going by.
So they had to cut the tree down, square it, and then create these dovetails perfectly to fit together. And we are hiking the trail to High Falls off of Basin Road. So this is a linear trail, so we're only going to show you one way.
It's up in a skinny tree at the back. Oh, smells something.
Oh, she got a scent. Check out the white pine beside you, Pipe.
Yeah, I was looking at them.
There may be a Tim Hortons at the end here.
Oh.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Do you hear an airplane?
Oh my, look at that.
That's an oatmeal cookie training session. If you're rolling squirrel poop, it has to come off.
Whew. She's really, really excited about it. Chloe, come this way.
Up. Yep. Good girl. Good girl. We're gonna addict the dog to water. Somebody's very sleepy.